Just south of Sanur we have the Junglegold Bali chocolate retail outlet. Parking out the front, easy access. Getting back onto the bypass road is another story. Not sure what the soldier has to do with it, but he's right next to the sign. Junglegold Chocolate Sanur is the flagship Bali retail store located on the bypass road in Sanur, featuring delicious range of handcrafted chocolates with free tasting. And at this Sanur retail location they have also a coffee bar where you can enjoy their chocolate frappes, hot chocolate drinks and freshly roasted coffee, and their famous chocolate wheel machine where you can taste deliciously melted chocolate hazelnut spread straight from the machine. And why not try before you buy? There's samples of each chocolate range next to the packaging. Simply have a try and pick out which one you like best. There is a video display you can watch showing the process of chocolate making from bean to bar, or you can watch the balidays video of the Junglegold Chocolate Factory. Link is below in the description.
4 of those.
Snack size.
4. Buy 5, get 1 free.
Yeah, try it. Buy
I
5, get 1 free.
Caramel crunch one. I'll have to try that.
Buy a t-shirt too. Check out their little gift packs. You can pick up an 18 by 10 gram pack collection box of different varieties for 199,000 rupiah. Standard 70 gram blocks of Bali chocolate are 79,000, or a jar of chocolate hazelnut spread is 149,000 rupiah. So if you're coming back from Ubud, Kintamani or Chandidasa on the bypass road, you can make this a delicious stopover and a convenient place also to stock up on chocolate bars before heading home. Okay, so you've been hanging on to find out the relevance of the soldier statue next to the Junglegold Bali chocolate sign. Well, it's in fact a statue of Igusti Ngurah Rai. He was a Balinese freedom fighter and colonel in the Indonesian Independence War, and in 1946 he and 96 of his men fell in the Pupatan Magarana, refusing to surrender to the Dutch occupiers. Today, he is a national hero and, you guessed it, he is the namesake behind the Bali International Airport. And the relevant part is, he is the grandfather of Indah Tramafo Yuda, and she is the wife of the co-founder and CEO of Junglegold Bali, Tobias Garrett. And as a point of reference, Junglegold Bali chocolate in Sanur is opposite the Daihatsu car dealership.